Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Gadget Genius Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this software called Gadget Genius. So this is the Gadget Genius Review, and right now we are on the sales page. This software is launching on 17th of June. I'm doing an early review 2 days before, so there's no demo video as of now, but it says here, attention all extra income seekers, brand new software lets you get paid to help people buy gadgets with your own 100% done for you automated ChatGPT powered site. See your first online earnings in just 2 weeks, or I will personally work with you on your site until it starts making sales. Okay, and then we have create multiple profit earning sites, 100% beginner friendly, no techie stuff, custom AI model, write stunning reviews, fresh content and free traffic built in, which is a lie, no Amazon API needed, see results in as little as 24 hours. All of this is bullshit, okay? By the way, if anybody tells you that you can make money by starting a website in 2023, you can spit on their face right now. And yeah, these are fake testimonials, okay? And these are all scammers. This Mike McKay is a scammer, and this Kurt Chrysler is also a scammer, and this guy who is launching this thing is also a scammer, okay? Now the software will create the website. Let's not mix two things together. The software will create some websites, but will you make money? No. But how are they selling this to you? They're selling this to you that you will make money with this. That's where my problem lies, okay? So these are two options. You have single site, one site, and then you have multi-site license in which you can have 3 websites, okay? And these are the features which you will get. There's no traffic, okay? When you create websites from the software, if your website is already not getting traffic, then nobody is gonna come and see, right? And I'm not sure here that you can create a website on your own domain, or will they give you a subdomain? Because right now demo video is not available, but they're saying you will be getting one free .click domain. .click domain is useless. If you want to get some traffic from website or from Google, then you need to have a domain which should be ending with .com, .org, or .gov, .co.uk, stuff like that, okay? .click, some other XYZ domain, they're useless, okay? They're not good for SEO. Anyways, so the price, I'll show you the price in a moment, and they have, oh my god, 30-day money back guarantee, and you will never get the money back. How do I get support? Help desk. Go to their help desk, okay? Will there be updates? Yeah. Complete beginner? No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Enter my email? Yeah. Spam? Check spam. Developer license? Do you even know what is developer license? I don't. Are you ready to get lost? Yeah, then go and lose your money. Anyway, so why am I saying all this? That this will not make you money, because if you come to the profile of the vendor and click on the profile picture here, you will see that they have been selling you the same thing over and over again, okay? So what is this? Gear up, transport, Emblematic, blah blah blah. So mainly all they do is they ask you to come and create a website, and maybe in Jobermatic they were saying you will be making money if you provide jobs or create a job website. Then Emblematic was the same thing as Jobermatic, I guess. I don't even remember, okay? The point being is everything here is being sold to you in the name of making money online. And these software do create the websites, but my good friends, over smart people, websites don't make money. In which language shall I make you understand? There was an era. If you would have started a website in 2010, you must have made a lot of money by now. But if you start a website right now, you make nothing. What do you think? Why people are coming on YouTube? Check your Facebook, check your Instagram, check your TikTok. Everywhere people are coming on YouTube, because not coming on YouTube, but coming on videos. Because videos make money. Websites, old trend. You don't have to go back to ice ages. Nobody makes money by creating web. Do you know here? Come to daddy. Okay, this is Google. On Google here you have 10 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, one is video, 11. So you have only 10 spots on the first page of Google. and here you can see the results. You have to rank your website, you have to compete with millions and hundreds of thousands of websites to rank or to get to your website on the first page of Google, which you will never be able to do it. Understand? Never in your lifetime, because it is the job of the complete hardcore SEO person, and that will cost you thousands and thousands of dollars, which you cannot afford for putting the money in your website. Okay, don't waste your time. No thanks. These people come because they have to sell you. When they sell you, you buy, they make money. You buy from me, I make money, you don't. You buy anything from any other YouTuber, they make money, you don't. If you want to make money online, you have to sell. You don't make money by buying Gadget Genius. You will make money if you sell Gadget Genius. How? Maybe make a YouTube video. What do you think other people are doing? Why are they giving you bonuses? Are you blind to see that? You're not special, okay? Why will somebody come and give you bonus 1, 2, 3, 4 in your bum? Why will they come on the camera? Why will they waste their time? Why will be they so nice to you? Because they want your credit card, money. That's all. That's the only relation they have with you. Once they get the money, they come back and with another product to sell you. I mean, literally think. Why they themselves are coming on YouTube? Why am I on YouTube? What am I doing here? Why can't I just go and buy some Gadget Genius and make a website, and that website will make so much money for me? Why am I wasting my time here on YouTube every single day? Because YouTube makes money, websites don't. This will create some websites where you will be selling some gadgets, I believe, because I don't have the demo video handy right now. And that website will have some Amazon products, I guess. You will have your affiliate ID, this and that, okay? You can find other videos to see the demo video and all, because when I'm saying that there's nothing which will make you money, then no matter if I show you the demo video or not show you the demo video, it will not make you money, okay? If you want to make money online, do something with what others are doing. If you go below my video, you see here, make money with Traffic Jarvis. This makes money. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing on YouTube. I also do Forex trading. If you see here, this is called Forex trading. So we'll talk about this in the end, okay? Point being is, if any of these things were supposed to make you money, then they will not be sold to you in only $17, okay? So get back to your senses. Websites don't make money, and rest their intentions are not honorable. You can see here, they want to sell you this. They want to sell you so much. Why? If they wanted to sell you something in 15 bucks, they will leave you alone. But no, you have to pay them more and more for God knows what. And again, here you see this thing. If this thing was supposed to make money, all of this was supposed to make money, then why do we need something new? Don't waste my time, kindly. And these are the otos, I guess. Let me see, where are the otos. I'm done with this actually. I'm actually thinking about quitting this completely. So front end is this. Let's just, I have no mood to do this, okay? So in case you want to come to the sales page, you might find the link below somewhere here, which will be saying grab Gadget Genius copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page. My last word is, you buy this, you make nothing. Just let me go. Subscribe, like. If you want to make money online, watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, okay? Now, we will not be doing any of this manually, because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits, okay? So again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those 2 videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those 2 videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those 2 videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website where it says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.